Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kamusta ang mga water signs natin dyan? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron kayo ng iyong person on your mind, no? In separation man, in connection man, friend man, or whoever, basta is special, someone special na nasa isip mo ngayon, water sign. And of course, message or advice from your inner self and of course kay universe, no? So let's see anong message sitwasyon nyo ng iyong person, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, water sign, no? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards, mga water sign. So, let's see. Anong sitwasyon kaya mayroon ang mga water signs natin ngayon? So, ano to? So, no, meron agad dito, no? You're my destiny, no? So, I don't know if you are connected now with this person, no? But then, maybe both of you thinking is destiny nyo na ang isa't isa, no? Something like that. And then, what is this? This time, I will be honest and will change for the better, no? So, no, meron ditong, merong mga babaguhin, no? Maybe, sa relasyon nyo, water sign, no? Kung sino man ito ay maybe nagkaroon ng problema, no? May mga hindi naging totoo, something like that. But then, no, ito na siya, no, magbabago na for the better, no? So, maganda naman, no? Maybe ngayon ay nagbabago na itong tao na to and kung sino man ito ay nakikita nyo na rin yung pagbabago. I think hindi naman kayo in separation na tong person na to. But then, let's see what the other card is. Yeah, di ba? May I'm sorry, you know? So, kumbaga for me, I see this someone is so sincere na, no? Right now, no? Being sorry na, no? Maybe, hindi man niya ito masabi ng harapan sa'yo, but then deep inside, no? He or she is really sorry for what he or she did, no? Something like that. Or vice versa, kung ikaw man ito water sign, no? So, kasi nga meron ditong hindi siya naging honest, no? From the past, maybe. But now, he wants or he or she is wanting to change everything for you for the better. Ayaw niyang magkahiwalay kayo because for him or her is you're my destiny, no? So, para sa kanya ay ikaw na talaga yung gusto niya, ikaw yung para sa kanya, no? So, willing siyang magbago, no? Or nagbabago na siya because ayaw niyang mawala ka sa kanya, no? So, maganda naman to, no? Water sign, no? So, maganda to. Maybe merong mga pagbabagong nagaganap sa relasyon ninyo ng iyong person, no? Something like that, no? So, kung sino lang makaka-resonate with that, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message, no? So, kumbaga, kung nakikita nyo naman water sign na sincere naman itong person nyo to change, no? Or changing the way na kung ano man tong mga binabago niya at nakikita niyo naman na sincere siya. Kayo rin naman nakakaalam nito, right? No? Kasi syempre, person niyo yan. Or kung kayo man ito, is kung totoong nagbabago na, malalaman niyo naman. And if he or she is really honestly changing the ways from the past to be a better person, then that's a good job, no? So, magiging mas maganda ang inyong relasyon for sure dahil may rebirth, may changes, no? Na nangyayari sa relasyon nyo. So, I'm happy naman for you mga water signs. So, let's see anong message from your inner self, no? Mga water signs. So, let's see. Kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, water sign, no? For the message or maybe advice, no? Ng iyong inner self. So, let's see. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, what is this? So, you have this authenticity, no? So, laging lumalabas to sa inyong mga water sign, no? So, maybe for some of you, water sign is authenticity, no? Maybe you are hiding something, no? With this colorful, maybe you are a member of, some of you is, wala naman talaga tayong gender here, no? But then, maybe, for some of you ay, you are really, hindi nyo pa nailalabas yung kung sino talaga kayo, no? Something like that. Kung maybe for some of you, yung gender nyo, no? Maybe, yeah. Kung nahihiya kayo, maybe, para siguro, people around you or maybe family nyo ay baka hindi kayo matanggap, something like that. But then, for me is, sinasabi ng inner self mo is nahihirapan ka na water sign eh, right? So, why not show your true self, show your authenticity, right? Because we are so different naman talaga eh. Lahat, wala naman pare-parehas eh. Magkakaiba kahit anong gender pa tayo. Kahit sabihin mong parehas tayong babae, hindi naman tayo parehas eh. Magkaiba pa rin tayo, no? So, kahit anong gender natin is hindi naman talaga tayo pare-parehas. We have this own authenticity sa ating sarili, right? So, feel yourself being authentic, no? Dahil ikaw yan. Hindi yan magagaya ng iba. So, show it, no? Wag mo siyang itago. Something like that, no? So, ikaw lang din ang mahihirapan dito, water sign, no? Right? So, the other one naman is, yeah, leadership, no? For some of you, water sign, no? Maybe ito rin ang sinasabi ng iyong inner self. Show the leadership that you are. Show the leader that who you truly are, no? You have this potential to be a leader, no? For some of you, no, water sign. So, ito yung sinasabi ng iyong inner self. Don't be afraid, don't be ashamed, no? Because you have this potential, you are this kind of, type of personality, no? So, wag mong itago, you are this, no? Being a leader, you have this being, yeah, you can, maybe some of you, um, you are in position na, no? So, maybe, something you have to say, no? Something like that. Kung ano man itong mga sinasabi nyo is, sabi ng inner self mo is, go on, no? Whatever it is, because you are this leader, no? Whatever you say is, yan naman talaga yung totoo. Something like that. But then, because, just be true, no? Something like that. With the authenticity, kung ano lang yung totoo is, ipakita mo. Something like that, no? Because that is you. You are being authentic lang, right? You're just being true to yourself, no? Something like that, water sign. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo dito, mga water sign. And yeah, kuha tayo dito ng one card for you, advice or message from the universe, no? From our source, no? From God. So, kuha tayo ng one card for the water sign, no? So, yeah, let's see. Anong message ni universe or maybe advice for you, water sign. So, yeah, tignan natin. So, fighting spirit, no? So, sinasabi ni universe dito, ang message niya is go on lang, no? Keep on pushing towards, no? Because you are this, no? So, napakalakas ng ating water sign. And with the fighting spirit, literally, no? Your spirit guides, your guides are there, universe are there to by your side, no? Kung makikita mo, may mga parang may mga puti-puti diyan, no? Something like that. That's your guides, no? Si universe nandiyan, no? Whatever fight is ahead of you, wag kang matakot because universe has your back, no? Something like that, no? So, keep pushing forward lang, mga water sign, whatever is this you're doing right now. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang because in the near future, for sure, no? Tumataas na naman ang balahibo ko, no? So, in the near future, fire sign, ano man itong mga pinaghirapan mo, magbubunga yan. I mean, water sign, right? No? So, magbubunga yan, water sign. So, keep on moving, keep on push. Keep on pushing forward, no? Something like that. Keep on fighting for what is right? 'Di ba? What is just being true, just be fair, no? Huwag ka lang manlalamang ng kapwa mo, right? No? So, basta kung ano man 'tong ginagawa mo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang water sign dahil may magandang bunga yan in the future, right? So, that's it for you, water sign, no? So, I hope may mga naka-resonate dito, no? So, napakalakas ng fighting spirit ng mga water sign natin right now, no? So, yeah, uh, fight, fight lang, no? So, whatever it is, no? Kaya mo yan, water sign, ikaw pa, no? Napakagaling mo. So, yeah, that's it for you, water sign, no? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa ating reading today. And, yeah, always be thankful kay God, no? Because kung makikita mo talaga is nakasupport lang siya sa inyo, water sign, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, God bless you all and thank you for watching Water Signs.